Hello guys, this is Carson Lee. I'm now in China and I would like to introduce you one of our new product, tree vented color smoke, red, white, blue. Okay, you can see it that way. So this is a tree color and smoke, tree vented. So you will see this is very fantastic. And have a look. See, actually 3 colors. Cool. Red, white, blue, and one of these position for 4th of July. So if you guys love it, contact me. I'm gonna show you another one. I will show you another one, red, white, blue smoke, tree vented by Boomwow Fireworks. Have a look. What is it? Yeah, what is it? If you guys love it, let me know and send me an email at info@boomwowfireworks.com and we can still ship for 2020, okay? See you soon.